Let's make a tasty sandwich filler today. You will need eggs, cream cheese, butter, mustard, spring onions, chives, and salt. Hard-boil 3 eggs. Cut the eggs in half, and scoop out the egg yolks into a bowl. Cut the egg whites into small pieces. Chop a few spring onions. Chop a small bunch of chives. Next, mix the rest of the ingredients in a bowl. Start with 50 grams of butter. Add 250 grams of cream cheese. Add the egg yolks. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Whisk all ingredients using a fork, a whisk, or an electric mixer. Stir in the chopped spring onions. Add the chopped chives. And finally, add the chopped egg whites. Add a bit of salt, if needed. Enjoy on a piece of bread, a baguette, or a toast.